Hello and welcome to another edition of Stockwatch. As we get into the middle of the trading week, we're hearing on Amazon's big product day that they actually revealed a host of new products that are supposed to be beneficial for not only consumers but hopefully for their stock prices as well. So a live stream media event yesterday, the company showed off a handful of branded products, including an Echo device that hangs on the wall and an interactive video portal for kids, a Ring security services for you when you're not at home, and probably the biggest and I wouldn't say controversial, but a little bit strange, was the fact that there's a new robot equipped with cameras named Astro that navigates your home while you're away. So it did get a little bit of a buzz from the robot because it was the first of its kind that actually sweeps your home. A little bit like its previous product that it has, but it's stationary, the previous product. This product actually moves around your house as well. And obviously this was the latest attempt for Amazon to continually try new product ideas and to see where the demand comes and further strengthen its relationship with its consumers, and obviously also putting its profit margin that little bit more higher. And I just wanted to touch upon Apple because their iPhone 13 launched last week, but the problem is, even though it's supposed to exceed demand for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, there is this shortage of supply issues that have been hit across the globe, especially on the west coast of America, which was reported on the Stockwatch a few days ago, that there are cargo ships, up to 65 of them, being delayed, and this is due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So basically there's not enough people working on the docks or the ports to actually unload these containers that are coming into America. So a lot of Americans especially are having a long waiting time for the iPhone 13 to get into their hands. So we'll see if that affects stocks going forward for the big company. So Amazon yesterday, we're just looking to see if there's going to be a bit of a pop when the market opens shortly, and this is because of the product day reveal, to see if we get a little bit more of a bias to the upside. I'll just zoom in for a little bit of better perspective. And as you can see, we're trading just below the Ichimoku cloud at the moment, a little bit of a downshift in prices, but as you can see here, the RSI is going the same way as the price action. So for me, I'm just looking to see if we get another boost to the upside, and that will give a bit more of a cloud engulfment, and then that will give a little bit more impetus to the upside to try and get to these recent peaks above 3,500. It's a little bit too early to tell at the moment, but we'll see if anything comes into fruition in the near term at least. And as you can see here, we are again trading just below the Ichimoku cloud, so just waiting for this quite heavy resistance. When there is a flat line of Ichimoku cloud borders, there is more of a harder support or resistance scenario to get through. So we'll see if that comes into fruition. You could say there is a slight bullish divergence. If prices do get a little bit more of an uptick, we could see a little bit more of a push to the upside. So that divergence might bring prices a little bit higher, but we'll see what the results are in the next few trading sessions at least, as traders and investors digest the big Amazon product reveal as well. And just to take a look on Apple, since its iPhone launch, we haven't really had something really great to shout about. This was the end of last week, and we had a bit of a price surge, as you can see here, a bit of a detrimental downturn. Now we are trading fully in the Ichimoku cloud. This is on daily chart though, so prices are looking a little bit more towards the downside at the moment. So good for bears, bad for bulls, but we are looking to see this recent peak if we can break back above it. If not, then the prices might start pushing even further down as we have broken it. But we'll see what the opportunities are when the market does open. Obviously the American session starting shortly, and if we look on the 4-hour charts, we're trading very far below the Ichimoku cloud. However, there is a sign that we could be up for another push to the upside if we don't break this recent level of roughly about $140. This could be a very good opportunity for a buy. So I'll see, we can put possibly a pending order in, bounce, and then to the upside, put a limit order in there, and that will be a good opportunity at least for the near term. I'll keep an eye on that as well as we go into the trading sessions to see what the opportunities are. Again, you could say there's a slight hidden bullish divergence, but if prices do keep creeping lower, and we'll see if that comes into fruition. So that's all from the Stock Watch today. Thank you very much for joining me. As usual, any comments or queries, please feel free to add them to the post, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And have a great trading day ahead, and bye for now.